So, what drove you to start looking into those markets in the first place?
Well, basically, I was born and raised on the San Francisco Peninsula in what became Silicon Valley. And about 7 years ago, we moved to Greenville, South Carolina to kind of start a new life adventure. So uh, I think my presence in the Carolinas is a big part of my focus in the Southeast. But in general, you have population growth, you have job growth, fairly low tax rates, fairly landlord friendly regulations in terms of tenant landlord issues. Businesses are moving in and population's falling. So I think those all combine to make an excellent market to invest in. The other thing I would say, we all know real estate's kind of local, location, location, location. And I think by being in Greenville, South Carolina, in the Carolinas, having firsthand local knowledge of some of these particular submarkets proves to be an advantage in looking at potential acquisitions and also the operating of the ones we do buy.
Yeah, real estate is definitely hyper local. So
you have to know the market, and there's a lot of great data out there, CoStar and Berkadia and all that data is useful. But we also know neighborhoods and submarkets change block by block, and so having an intimate knowledge of the local markets you invest in, I think, is critical to get kind of a little bit of a competitive advantage in a competitive space like multifamily is now. To make good acquisitions, you need to, use whatever advantage you have. And in my case, one of the most important one is local knowledge here in the Carolinas.
yeah, that makes a lot of sense.